Trimming and removing trees can be a huge liability due to the placement of where the tree is placed in the yard. Yet we got this mango tree cut out, stumped out with no problems at all. Need a tree removed out of your yard? Give Above Average a call. If you also want the grass laid back after the stump is removed, we offer a wide variety of services. No job is too big or too small for Above Average.
We bumping from coast to coast, yeah, yeah. We just trying to make you see.